Like it or not, the headphone jack is fast disappearing from smartphones. So, sooner or later, you need to invest in a decent pair of Bluetooth earphones if you want a seamless audio experience. And while there are 100 new Indian startups offering feature-rich Bluetooth earphones at relatively affordable prices, what if you'd like to stick to a reputed brand, say Sony? The company has a few affordable Bluetooth earphones on sale in India, and the neckband-style WI-C400 is one of them. So, at an online retail price tag of around Rs 3300, is it even worth your money? Alright, so let's straight away dive into what matters the most, the audio quality. So the WI-C400 sounds pretty good. That is, as long as you keep your expectations in check. You must not forget that Sony is known for its premium audio gear, so they won't give their absolute best in an earphone that costs around Rs 3000. But still, the C400 does not disappoint, as the lows and mids on these earphones are very clear. One very peculiar thing I noted about the C400 is that it's a bit treble heavy. Now, if you've used Sony speakers and earphones in the past, you know that they've got tendency to be a bit bass heavy. But this thing surprisingly is treble heavy. But the only time when that exaggerated treble would spoil your listening experience is when you max out the volume. And talking about the volume, these earphones can get super loud. So you don't want to put the volume to 100% anyway. And as long as the volume is kept at 80% or below, the sound quality is decent enough. Alright, with audio quality out of the way, let's move on to the build. The C400 is a neckband style earphone with an in-earbud design. It's completely made up of plastic, and at first, it actually looks a bit flimsy. This particular device that I'm wearing is over 6 months old, and it's been used extensively for almost every day. And I can tell you this, it's almost as good as new. The earbuds fit securely inside your ear, and you can always change the ear tip as per your ear size. The controls are situated on the left side of the neckband, and the buttons are big and clicky. So once you're used to them, they are very easy to operate on the go. Thanks to this neckband, the earbuds won't slide out of your ear very easily. So these earbuds can be your ideal companion for running. Something worth noting is that the earbuds are not magnetic, and the cable management is rather awkward. In terms of connectivity, the device uses Bluetooth 4.2 and the connections are pretty seamless. There's also NFC on board if that's your thing. An area where the C400 absolutely shines is in terms of battery life. Sony officially claims that these buds can last for 20 hours on a single charge, which in real world translates to around 14 to 15 hours, which is still brilliant nonetheless. Charging is done via micro USB port, and while the earbuds take over 3 hours to fully recharge, the fantastic battery life more than makes up for it. Summing it up, the Sony WI-C400 makes for a decent buy for all you brand junkies on a budget. Granted, it's not absolutely the best headphones you can buy at this price, but its amazing battery life actually makes it a very sweet deal. Alright guys, I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, kindly subscribe to Dynamic District for more content like this in future. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.